Hindi naman talaga sinabi mo na kung anong dahilan, but we can always think na it has to do with what's happening ngayon, yung mga naglalabasan dyan, yung mga investigasyon na alam naman natin na somehow lumalabas yung pangalan ni Speaker. Kaya siguro, and actually para sa akin, tamang hakbang yan, without anything, any casting any doubt on the reputation and integrity of the Speaker. Pero tamang hakbang yan para mawala sa isipan ng publiko na baka wala namang mangyayari sa mga investigasyon na yan. So that is actually a good move, thinking about the institution. Kasi more than anyone else, more than any member of the House, including the Speaker himself, ang dapat iniisip lagi ay yung integrity at credibility ng House of Representatives as an institution. So it's more than any individual reputation now we're talking about. It's about the very reputation, credibility, integrity, and dignity ng buong House of Representatives.